Hey there! Ready to make some delicious ratatouille? It's simpler than you think. I'm gonna break it down step by step so you can whip up a mouth-watering dish that'll impress everyone. Let's dive in. First, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 2 eggplants, 3 zucchini, 6 Roma tomatoes, 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, 2 onions, and 4 cloves of garlic. Don't forget some fresh thyme, basil, and a can of crushed tomatoes. Simple enough, right? Alright, start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 190 degrees Celsius. While that's heating up, let's slice up our veggies. Grab those eggplants, zucchini, and tomatoes, and slice them into thin rounds. Aim for about 1/4 inch thick. Consistency is key here, folks. You want everything to cook evenly. Next, dice up your bell peppers and onions. Mince the garlic cloves too. We're gonna use these to make a delicious sauce. Heat up a skillet with a splash of olive oil over medium heat. Toss in the onions and cook them until they're soft and translucent. Then, add the bell peppers and garlic. Cook for another 5 minutes until everything is nice and fragrant. Pour in the can of crushed tomatoes and add a pinch of salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of fresh thyme. Let this simmer for about 10 minutes. This sauce is going to be the flavor bomb in our ratatouille. Once it's done, spread it evenly at the bottom of a baking dish. Now comes the fun part, arranging the veggies. Start stacking the slices of eggplant, zucchini, and tomatoes in a pattern. You can go in any order you like. The goal is to make it look colorful and appetizing. Stand them upright in the dish, leaning them slightly against each other. Once you've got your dish filled with beautifully arranged veggies, drizzle a bit of olive oil on top. Sprinkle some salt, pepper, and fresh thyme leaves. Cover the dish with parchment paper. This will help the veggies cook evenly without drying out. Pop it into the preheated oven and let it bake for about 45 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the veggies are tender and the top is slightly brown. The aroma is gonna drive you wild. While it's baking, let's whip up a quick basil dressing. In a blender, combine a handful of fresh basil leaves, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a clove of garlic, and a pinch of salt. Blend until smooth. This will add a fresh, zesty kick to our ratatouille. Alright, the moment of truth. Pull out your dish from the oven and remove the parchment paper. Drizzle that delicious basil dressing over the top. Doesn't that look amazing? Serve it up as a main dish or a side. It's perfect with some crusty bread or a light salad. There you have it, a stunning, flavorful ratatouille. Remember, cooking is all about having fun and experimenting, so feel free to tweak the recipe to your liking and don't forget to share your creations with me. Happy cooking! Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome recipes. See you next time!